another Unity quick tip video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this card. I'm going to go in with my embossing buddy and get all the static off my card. And then I'm going to stamp my stamp from Scarf in Winter, the snowflake, in Versamark ink, and stamp it randomly all over my page. I'm not going to worry too much about going down to the bottom of my card because you'll see I'm going to be covering that with paper. White embossing powder, and put it on there and tap it off. And I'm going to ink up the edges of my card. Ink on the edges just right, and then get the embossing powder on the edges. I'm going to heat it up with my heat gun and go from there. Time to heat it up. My Lawn Fawn die cuts. And I'm going to glue them on my card. Now I've already cut the edges of my card with a paper punch rounder. Add my tree. And add my other part of my snow on top. Bunny on some pop dots to give it some more dimension. One more there. I'm going to glue this right over top of my tree, like so. One more. Thanks for watching. Bye.